Friends, I am having a Virtualbox 6.2 version, which is EOAN based for Ubuntu 2004. Uh, Now I want to install Cloudera OS in my Virtualbox. So I will show you my OS of Cloudera. This is the Cloudera OS, and this is the OVF file which is required for installation of Cloudera. So I am going to import it. Just I need a path of the file, and I will provide it. The OEF file we need to provide first. Next, I am having a 16 GB of RAM, so I am allocating it approximately 6 GB of RAM. It requires a minimum of 4 GB. As if I am started importing with defaults, it is hitting me the error. It is version file not found, and it is saying the permission not given. I will show you my permissions. I have given read write everywhere read write permission, though it is hitting me the error that is version file not found. So I will just copy the virtual disk image name, and I will try to rename the main OS file name. After renaming it, again trying to import and keeping all as default. Just as soon as I start import, it is starting. If you guys like my video, please hit like button, and if you have any problem, then comment it below. I will try to solve your problems related to VirtualBox. Thank you.